how to turn off the Apple Watch sound when sleeping, right? So let me explain all the things that you need to know about it. First of all, if you are new on this channel, subscribe so you don't miss explanations and tutorials like this one. So if you mean that when you are sleeping, like when you go to bed and you want to wear the Apple Watch for sleep tracking, you can of course go to the control center by pressing the side button and enable the silent mode, which could get the job done, but it's still not ideal for this purpose as the watch will still kind of like light up and some other features might work as well, like you might still get some notifications and whatnot. So for that purpose, it's ideal to go to the control center as well, tap on the moon icon for the do not disturb mode and select the specific sleep one. So you should have it set up on your iPhone in the settings, and if you do, it should also appear on the Apple Watch. So by default, you should be able to get there. But yeah, that would be the best, or it is my preferred way of like blocking the sounds when I'm sleeping, right? So that is something which I would recommend you to do as well. Now, of course, if you want to customize it a bit further in terms of the sound, you can open up your watch app on the iPhone, go to the sounds and haptics, and possibly dial down the ringer volume, enable the silent mode, and even other things are available. Same thing for the notifications, where you can find all of the things which you might be interested in. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.